Here we go, preparing Hotshot RV for trip number 5. New things that we got going on. Oh, in the last video I said there's something new going on. Exhaust heat shield. So, when I built this wooden box, see how close that is to the cat? Pulled over one day, I started smelling smoke, and I'm like, what is going on? It smells like wood burning. So the heat from that thing running 24/7 and then driving for 12 hours straight in Florida, yeah, smoke's coming up. I'm like, oh boy, here's another problem. So here's our quick and easy fix. Heat shields, 12-inch, I forgot what these are called right now. Clamps, worm clamps. These are battery connectors, so I can run my 200 amp hour batteries in parallel. This is the new ground. This is the new inverter generator, Champion, basically the same as that. It was just $950 instead of $1,250. So we're gonna get that all loaded up, oil, everything else, get it mounted on the truck. We'll be leaving on Friday. Today's Wednesday. Well, hopefully that turned out, but heat shield, prevent the heat directly going on the wood. Project 1 done. All right, project 2, Champion. 45, 35, blah, blah, blah. We're just gonna get it unboxed. And so the old generator, I remember I said I attached it on the bottom, so I had to crawl underneath the truck every time I changed the oil. We're not gonna do that. So I'm gonna work on getting some hooks put on here, and that'll strap it down, and then my chain keeps it secure so it doesn't get stolen. So let's get this thing unboxed, filled up with oil, do a test run, and then we go from there. You saw that? There's little like engine mounting bolts on there, I guess. Mounting plates, I don't know. I guess it holds the engine in place while this thing is being shipped. connect the battery, remove the screws, push two halves together. Easy enough. All right, new generator start up. It's battery on, smart dial. This is on position right here. Man, that's pretty quiet. Huh. That's really quiet. It's supposed to be louder than this one, but it's not. Okay, intelligence, run. Is there a choke? That looks like a choke, but it seems to be running just fine, so. And then I gotta program the remote, I guess. Okay. Success. Man, this thing is quiet. All right, let's get it mounted. Boom. It is smaller than the other one. Ratchet strap down the side. I'm just trying to figure out how to put another ratchet strap. Fuel cap accessible, easy. So once I figure out how to route another ratchet strap, cinch it down, put the chain on it, plug it in. We are done with project 2, and it looks like it's about to be raining. So talking with dispatch right now, and we're trying to get loads figured out for Friday. Okay, I've had a rethink. I am just gonna go tomorrow, get a couple of eyelets, drill them through here, then they'll be on, and then it'll be completely inside the cage. So an eyelet with a big washer backer, boom boom, 4 of those. This will ratchet down easy. I'll still be able to reach everything. The plug will still be in place. That should even hold the plug. So that's that. But let's plug it in and see how it works. See how it sounds under load. Okay. Turn it to the on position. Remote control. Oh boy, it is hot in here. Holy moly. Yeah, it's like 1,000 in here. Let's suck some of this air out. Okay, we're gonna put this in off position. Cold. Fire up the generator. Well, cross your fingers. Sounds good. 50%. I think we got a winner with the champion here, guys. Seriously. It's smaller, it's lighter, it's quieter. And it still does the trick. Okay, so 4 eyelets to tomorrow. Now this project done. Here is the solution for strapping down the generator. A couple of self tappers, 2 in the front, 2 in the front side, 2 in the back side, and then we are done and we can move on to projects 2, 3, 4, and 5 for today before we leave tomorrow afternoon. So yeah, I'm just strapping it right down to the metal. Let's try this. Shoot. So there's metal framing running under here, so I have to avoid it, but let's go like this. Again. Why can't my plans work out easily? If we go like this, we can still attach it. I like that. My self tapper is tapped. One. Alright, gate still closes, looking good. Might have to put on my shade umbrella for the next project here. So yeah, if I close this, gonna go ahead and push that forward. Ouch. I see everything's getting hot. And then we're gonna get one right here. And then one hopefully right there. And we'll be good to go. So the shade umbrella has been deployed and it's working like a dream. We're gonna move this forward. That's what's going on. Hopefully you guys can see that from, we're gonna try right here. I'll take a peek underneath and reference where these are. Hopefully we can get it right about there. There's the edge of the metal right there. Can you see that? Right there, metal goes like that. So, go over here. Please work the way I imagine. There's nowhere else to put this camera, guys, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Of course it wouldn't be easy, because nothing is easy. Okay, here we go. That's what we're hitting right there. Unbelievable. So if I go, here's my steel plate for the hinges. Okay. For those of you who don't live in Florida, it is just ungodly hot here. It's unbelievable. That's perfect.